As you may know, I've had some failed attempts at making shows like zombies or olden days. The reason for zombies being that there was a virus on the file. And then for olden days, it was a short. And I was using the trailer for the actual episode.
Oh, you're having a meeting with a friend?
I mastered.
What, did you compliment him for his role?
It's amazing.
No, it was people bitching.
It's an amazing show about Lemmy and Les. Is his journey. Yes.
People got lives, man.
Oh, and the trailer's already out, so you can go watch it on my channel. Oh, and we get the Spatties in it. Yeah, and we also get this. Wait, no. Oh, that's the wrong thing. This. So please watch it.
For some people, the paycheck is the award for just doing the craft.